Hi, 2-Minute Matt here with another how-to in 2, because who wants to watch a 20-minute video on how-to? So today we're making a pie filling for none other than my daughter's favorite chicken pot pie. We make it with 2
cans of chicken breast,
2 cups of vegetables, mixed veggies, 1 potato, right? And about, I don't know, half a cup of mushrooms, and then white sauce. And my son Matt here made this white sauce earlier. There's a 2-Minute Matt video on that. And just go ahead and mix that up. And there you go. There's your filling for your chicken pot pie. Thank you. Thanks for watching.